Hello. This is Cashcam, the return. I will explain what I will do, and I hope that people understand that this is a test thing about Cashcam. So, uh, so, so, this is Cashcam, the return. Now is 26th day of this month, and I will do this. So, as you see, there is their web page where is profits granted $1,192 day, and as you see, it's in there. So I will test Cashcam a way that really is that really fixed, or is that scam already? 26th day I will take Bank the Binary 100% bonus if I can. I have not tested yet. I will put Cashcam to do $25 trades, 70% Sure, and 10 trades day. So let's see what happens on that day. This will prove that Cashcam is scam, or if it is fixed and it's doing money, so then I'm very happy person then. But because I will take bonus, it's hard to get that money back. So it's it's bad thing, but I have do everything what I can about Cashcam support, and they don't send me emails. So I will do this last video about this or series. So I will take little bit of how it's say. I hope that it works, but it's pipe or victory, and every part will be recorded. So there is no chance in hell that I will that it's fixed, or if it is fixed, then it's proof that it's fixed, because it did not work on my first try. So I will take trading bonus, and Bank the Binary bonus offer is me 100% bonus, so I will get $250 to my account. I hope that I can get that. So there is this like page on there. So if I want to withdraw that bonus money, if Cashcam can do money, then I must do mm, let Cashcamp do lots and lots and lots mm, trading. So I did count if I must if total is 10k trades, or is that 5250 trades, because that counting type in there is like this second row here, I think. Enter both GT on 20 times amount of bonus benefit plus deposit amount. Is that because on my mathematic total bonus and 20 total bonus deposit and is this deposit plus if 5,000, so it's $5,250. But if they count this way, it's 10k. So I will not put any new money to the system because Cashcamp support sucks, and the binary has to done a contract with them, so they both are scammers then, because Bank the Binary knows that Cashcamp will do bad trading, so they don't lose money, and they get our money what we have put there. So on this time I have lose my bunch, and let's see if I lose my socks also. So Cashcamp support is not there. It's not anywhere. There never be any support. I don't find them. They don't answer me, and there is no support. So please, if you are a new Cashcamp user or try to make money with Cashcamp, then tell me if you make money on that, or if you don't do money in this, because I have seen only people lose money on my who are put their information on my YouTube videos, that and only big names in binary trading industry have do any good money in this. Nobody else. So these are the actors that are in their video, as you see, because she is actor, or not actor, this is photo only, but they claim that she is donate that much money. It's scam. Jenny Flynn is here. It's here. She has to donate this much money, and he has donated this much money. Everything is false on their video. Everything. There is no real traders who are donate any money on this system? Nobody. There has Facebook page in Cashcamp, but and web page Cashcamp system.com. It's the same page what is Cashcamp net also, and this number also don't work. Nobody can send any letters, emails, phone them. Nobody, except them who are big names in binary options trading. They have direct lines to them. Nobody else. So next Monebit. I did not take that what was in last time in video, because it was not doing good on some people Vertnex. So as I did QS, that Trend Rider has will be the big next thing in couple next weeks, because I did notice that some these big names has put money on this, so they and they get 90% into money every time, over 75% into money every time. So it's good scam again. And I want to know if any normal traders can get any money from the Trend Trader. I did put my last money, but I on this month money to EQ options and to manual trading there. So I put $150 to that place, and I have about $100 left. I did a couple of bad trades and couple of good trades rolls, but although it's too small things to do, but I do all. So I can only try one software in a month if it is bad or even good, because I have no money to put these things. I want to do, but I can't. It's not possible because I have no that kinds of money that I can throw out to these softwares. I hope, but I can't. Just I can't. So I have some places that you can give me donations so I can try these softwares. It's not it's I take small amounts, I take big amounts, but I can't put money on this systems like on this year, because next month will be Christmas and it takes money too much, so I can't put better any money, any money. So as you see, I am programmer, I'm POF player, I have own firma, I have been big firms, I have been Nokia, so I'm very good with programming and so on, so on. So maybe I know what these programs will. So this is my plan to Thursday, 26th of this month. So let's see what happens when I use Cash Camp in last day. If it's doing good, then it's doing good. If it's fives my balance, it will be it fives balance, and I can't do anything about it. So okay, if someone thinks what this Klapituli thing is, it's a firm where I was working last time. I did web page and so on and so on. So it's like a little sponsor to me, and I hope that people also goes to watch their videos in net. So you only Google Klapituli and you find them. Not all of those videos are my making. I have done some of them, and also I have done those web pages. So let's see. Okay. Bye.